One of the biggest mistakes most video agencies make when they're pitching their services is, well, there's a couple things, but I'm going to go through those in this video. And I'm going to show you exactly what you should be doing when it comes to the end of the call, when you pitch your prices, how to package those. And I'm giving you an exact client example. Obviously, I've blurred out their name to show you what this looks like and how to actually do this. And this idea for this video came about because I was talking to one of our clients earlier today, and they were pitching it not quite the way I wanted them to. So in this YouTube video, you're gonna get it for free. I'm gonna show you exactly how to pitch it, and then you can use this to close more deals, collect more cash, make more money, and close more sales in your video business. So let's go ahead and jump in. So this is an example of one of our clients' packages. I'm not gonna get into the nitty gritty of what they actually are. The video is more centered around how to actually pitch these. So we have 3 different packages. We have a 12-month, a 6-month, and a 3-month. So when we're going to the end of the call, we're going to say, okay, Mr. Prospect, do you feel good on the process? Do you feel like you have everything you need? Do you feel like this is exactly what you need to get to insert monetary goal here? Now, that's the first thing. What most people do is they don't actually take the monetary goal and insert it into the end when you're going into the prices. So if I have a dentist who wants to hit $500,000 a month, I'd say, okay, Mr. Prospect or Dr. Josh or whatever it is. Okay, Dr. Josh. So based on what you told me, based on what we go over or went over, we have a couple different options. We have 3 different options to get you to that $500,000 a month goal that you said you wanted to get to. We have a 12-month, and this is exactly how I'd pitch it. I'd say we have a 12-month at 48, a 6-month at 30, or a 3-month at 18. But most of our clients go with the 6-month, or you can say most of our clients go with the 12-month, whichever one you want to actually push them towards. You say, okay, so most of our clients go with this package, but which one are you leaning more towards? That's it. That's all you say. You say that and you shut up. And then they're going to look at it. They're going to read the packages. They're going to be like, okay, this, okay, this, got it. Yeah, so I'm leaning towards the 12-month. Okay, got it. And then what they're going to ask next is they're going to say, is that broken up monthly or is that all up front? And here's what you're going to say. This question has made me literally, and I'm not bullshitting you, millions of dollars when I say this. Yeah, so most of our clients pay up front, but did you need me to break it up for you? Or, hey, most of our clients pay up front, but did you need a payment plan? That's it. That's all you say. Because what it's going to do is it's going to challenge their ego. You're going to say most of our clients pay up front, but did you need a payment plan? And 50% of the time they're going to say, yeah, we could probably pay up front. And then you'd say, okay, cool. How do you want to take care of that? And you take payment on the call. That's it. Done. And then you just got a $48,000 pay in full. And then 50% of the time they're going to say, yeah, we probably need you to break that up for us. And I'd say, no problem. And this is the way I go about it. No problem. What do you think you can put down? And then I can break up the rest for you over the rest of the time or over the rest of the 12 months. That's it. Okay, what can you put down? And then I can break up the rest of the payments over a 12-month period. You don't want to just automatically default to monthly, because what happens is you just like killed your cash collected, because oftentimes they'll be like, oh, I could put 10K down towards that. Okay, so we'll put 10K down and then we'll do the rest over the remaining 11 months. Does that work for you? Yes. Okay, great. What card did you want to use? Boom, done. That's it. Now, there are some other things you can do when it comes to like funding platforms and financing and stuff like that. And I'll probably do another video on that, not this video, just to keep it short. But to recap, we're saying we have these 3 different packages: 12-month for 48, 6-month for 30, 3-month for 18. Most of our clients go with the 12-month though. Which one are you leaning towards? They're going to say, oh, is that all up front? Or they're going to say, oh, is that all up front? And then you're going to say, most of our clients pay up front, but did you need a payment plan? Yeah, we probably need a payment plan. Okay, cool. What can you put down towards this? And then I can break up the rest of this over the next 11 months for you, right? Or whatever. I could probably put 15 down. Okay, cool. We could do 15 down and then we'll do the rest over the remaining 11 months. Does that work for you? Yes. Okay, great. Boom, done. That's it. That's all you got to do, guys. Very, very simple. Do you need a payment plan? Most of our clients pay up front, but do you need a payment plan? Because what most people are doing, and what I was talking to my client about with their packages here just earlier, is they're saying, the client's like, oh, that's monthly. And then they just say yes. And then they just take the monthly payment, right? But you're literally killing the, 20 to 30% of people who will pay in full. And then if you want to really get sneaky with it, you can incentivize them to pay in full by saying, yeah, if you wanted to pay in full, we'd knock off, $2,000 or $3,000 off the package. Boom, done, right? Now they're incentivized to pay you in full. You get the cash up front, you increase your cash collected, and you're good to go. Because what you should be shooting for is anywhere between like 30% to 50% cash collected. So you don't want all your packages to be monthlies, and you don't want all of your packages to be pay in fulls. You want a mix of both because it gives you healthy margins, healthy cash flow, and that occasional PIF or pay in full every once in a while really does help your cash flow and gives you more cash into the business so that you can grow even faster. But big takeaway there is just like most of our clients pay up front, but did you need a payment plan? Because you don't want to say like most of our clients pay up front and then you like don't give them another option, because then you can lose the sale. But I find a good middle ground there. And that question's made me so much money over the past couple of years, and I want to give it to you guys, and hopefully that can help you guys. And then you give them 3 different options here, so then they can pick between the 3. And most of the clients will go with the middle, but you can say like, hey, here are our options. Most of our clients go with this, boom. And this is so we can get you to the $500,000 a month that you said you wanted to get to. And you have to tie in what the goal outcome is and what they wanted out of this. Because when you're selling B2B, like to businesses, B2B, all they care about is money in, money out, money in, money out, money in, money out. If I spend $48,000 with you for a year, it needs to be a big enough problem. So if they're at $200,000 a month and they want to get to $300,000 a month, and you're pitching a $48,000 for 12-month offer, what is that? $100,000 difference for them. It's $100,000 difference for them every single month. Times 12 is about $1.2 million. So they're really spending $48,000 to potentially make $1.2 million. And so you have to frame that in your mind. You have to frame it around the money, the monetary outcome, not around just the content. Like the businesses will pay if they can see an ROI, and that's how you frame the ROI. It's when you say that, when you say, we're going to put this together. You're basically, so we can get you to XYZ goal that we talked about, and then you're closing the gap on that. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully this is helpful when it comes to pitching the prices. Please don't only do monthly, but hopefully this helps, and hopefully this gives you guys an idea. And again, this is just one of our clients' example pricing sheets. We have hundreds of clients with tons of different pricing. So don't take this as gospel. This is just one small example of a pricing table from one of our clients. So if you want to learn more about what we do at Master Filmmaker, you want help with this kind of stuff, click the link below, schedule a demo with our team. We'll see if we can help, and we'll go from there.